YouTube? This your boy Jake Diggy 92 coming at y'all with another episode of Finesse Kicks. And today we got the first unboxing of 2019.
Okay, look. I know this ain't the first unboxing of 2019. I get that. I know that. I'm sorry. But look, shit got out of order. I had a hella lot of shit that I was recording at the time, and I'm really backed up. So I don't remember what I said in half of these bitches. So look, man, y'all just gotta roll with this shit. So for my fuck up, please hit that thumbs up and that like button for this goofy ass nigga. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all at the end of this video and in the next unboxing or whatever, cause I'm editing this shit right now. And look, man, I don't know what I be saying half the time in these shits, but yeah, don't hold it against me, yo. So hit that thumbs up and subscribe.
Let's go ahead and clap it up one time, yeah.
Stupid!
That shit was corny, but it's all cool. So look, today's box comes from Need Supply Co. By the way of them homies over at Sneaker Steals, man. Look, we going straight into 2019 with Sneaker Steals, still the reigning champs of the coppage action, nigga. So look, man, we will get straight to it. My camera finna die, but it's all good. It's all love. Now don't y'all judge me too much, cause I know what shoe in. And I ain't gonna hold you. I talk mad shit about this shoe. My first thoughts on this shoe has gotten me so many negative reviews, my nigga. Bruh, that shit's ridiculous. So look, man, look, don't hold it against me, but the more I kept seeing them, the more I see them on feet, the more I like them. And yeah, they grew on me, man. So don't kill me in the comments. But today we got an Adidas box, and today we are unboxing. I feel so bad saying this shit. We are unboxing the Continental 80s.
You stupid.
Size 12. I can't believe it, but it's happening. I actually wanted these. Nigga, I don't know why, but pink has grown on me exponentially. Probably because I'm with Savage Beauty. But yo, I can't fake, nigga. These hard. Like, they hard, fam. Like, they hard body. So y'all will be getting a legit review. Like I said, don't kill me too much, nigga. I make mistakes too. I'm human. I'm only human after all. I'm only human. Damn, shoe long as fuck though. But hey, man, look, I came up on these jumps, nigga. Y'all know I'll hip y'all to the whole review in the review. But right now it's just unboxing. First unboxing of 2019, and I already showed y'all, nigga. Growth is possible. Change is possible, nigga. Yes, it's possible. So I'm gonna go ahead. Yes, this is short. Yes, this is a little quick unboxing. First unboxing ever on 2019 on this channel. We pulling out some Continental 80s, nigga, which y'all probably never thought y'all would see. But yeah, man, shout out to them homies over at Need Supply Co. And shout out to the fam over at Sneaker Steals for hooking this one up for your boy, the God, the finesse God, Iggity Diggity. Look, I got this little scarf on though. I know y'all probably been looking at my hair. It's fucked up. So I threw this on real quick. Nigga, I look like Aunt Jemima mixed with like a Rasta. And yeah, man, I had to. My hair up under here. Nigga. But look, so Continental 80s, clear pink. I needed a pink shoe, copped a pink shoe. And the rest is history. I will be giving a full review on these jumps, man. With the on feet. These jumps do look like tugboats, nigga. Toot. I think these longer than my head. Hey, yo. Son. This shoe longer than my head. Nigga, what the fuck? My feet long as shit, bro, but hopefully I got the right size. I went true to my size, so we gonna find out. Y'all gonna find out in this review just like I am. So, yeah, man, I'm rapping like shit. I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all out of here. Smack that thumbs up. Don't hit that dislike button. If you wanna be like, nigga, you a fraud, but I fuck with the God in the comment section, go ahead and leave that, yo. I will definitely laugh. And I would appreciate because you watched the whole video. So leave it in the comments. Be like, nigga, you a fraud, but I still fuck with the God, nigga. I mean, I'll give you a shout out in the official review. But look, man, this is your boy Jay Diggy, the finesse guy. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up, that like, subscribe, join the motherfucking God Squad. Y'all already know 2019. If your finesse game strong, you don't go wrong, man. All 2019, man. And yeah, you want to follow me on anything, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that. JDiggy92. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Shout out to the art page, Finesse God Masterpieces. Copying some dope ass art. And yeah, man. I'm gonna get y'all out of here. I love y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for watching. Like I always say, I love y'all, and I will see y'all when I see y'all.
Swank. Swank.